Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone is not activated. Contact your courier if this problem continues to occur. Let's start it. Solution 1. Press and hold the volume down button and side button at the same time until the slider appears. Drag the slider to power off the device. After few seconds, press the side button to power on the device. Solution 2. Take out your SIM card. Set it up and reinsert it. Solution 3. Go to Settings. Then tap on General. Tap on About. If there is update available, then update the career settings. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.